This is mad. I can't walk on the pavement. Look. Ankle deep. Ah! Over the road. Hello everyone. Canterbury today on a lovely rainy day. The castle wall. The rain is just stopping. It's been pouring down, stopping, pouring down, stopping. Absolute madness. I had to put my umbrella up. I hope you can hear it. Because it's raining again. I just spotted something here. One of these little keyhole windows, which I like very much. Now, holding an umbrella and holding my phone is gonna be fun. Now, that's not what I expected to see. There we go. Ah! Sorry, my umbrella is being snatched away by the wind. A whole lot of homeless tents. Okay, what's going on here? Also, by the main road, it's always noisy. And I just realized that the sun might have not been on. There's some sort of monument up there. This is gonna be a fun day to film. Whatever plans you make in the UK, the weather can change everything. Really lovely to see these beautiful tall trees from up high. Just walking along the castle wall. I've not been to Canterbury in a very, very long time. I don't know, 14 years, 15 years? Don't even remember. There's another beautiful monument down there. Some sort of commemorative thingy. I'm not going down there because it's horrid. I like the raindrops on the pine needles. Look at that. Pretty. Let's continue walking. Okay, I took a left and came down from the castle wall, and I can see another beautiful sculpture here. Not quite sure what it's meant to signify. This castle building was the cars pulling in because there's a stop. I think it's very beautiful, and I missed filming whilst it was thundering. Taking refuge until I figure out how to get on next. Okay, I'm on the main walking shopping street, and I just wanted to look at this beautiful renovated building. The rain, obviously the light is really messed up, so I'm trying. There. Another little repast. I like these tiny buildings that are left. All the new things. And look at that. On the building. Oh, nothing works as I want it today. And then the sky is starting to clear out, and I think I can see the top of the cathedral there. I'm gonna try and make my way that way. Okay, I got to the other side of that church. I just showed you from the back. It's called the Church of St. Thomas of Canterbury. Looks pretty. There's more, and I'm just gonna walk down this street towards the cathedral. I assume it's that way. Been playing hide and seek with a friend unwillingly, but sometimes navigation can be a bit more complicated than you'd think. Look at these old buildings. Just look at that. The tiny little streets, wood from ages ago, obviously containing modern shops. Getting onto one of the old squares. And ta-da! This is the gate that leads to the Cathedral Square. Just want to show you the gate. Look at that. And there is the cathedral. I can see that they're doing a lot of renovation. Also, I won't be visiting it from the inside, just because of the pure fact that I completely disagree with a massive charge being forced upon any tourist to visit the church. I do believe that we need to support preservation and all that. That can be done a different way than asking for £17. So that's that. That's all you'll see from the cathedral. I have been inside the very first time I visited ages ago. Okay, I think there's a Pret inside this building, but I stopped because look at the detail on the little gargoyle style things. Here's a statue of the famous Geoffrey Chaucer in the lovely rain. Have you read the Canterbury Tales, people? If not, do! I'm filming through the railings. Beautiful old pub, the river. Oh, this is a nightmare filming with an umbrella.
Wow, that's really low, isn't it?
Okay, we did come into this beautiful old pub. It's a mishmash of everything, but they do have pretty cool items on display. Haha.
I have like 6,000
Garden area. Just showing you some pubs that have really cool designs on their name thingies. And we are nearing one of the gates. Look at that beauty. Another beautiful one, the Black Griffin. And a much older one. It's a bit hard to fit things in the frame. Another little church. And here's the gate. And I can see 1380. Which gives me a clue. That's when it was constructed. I didn't read up on it, so I actually don't know. And a pretty mural on that building with butterflies and flowers. And just besides this old beauty and history, we have the modern monstrosities being built up. I so don't like these things. Let's have a look at the tower from here. Pretty cool. I think it can be visited. Oh yeah, I see. Entrance now open. We don't have time for it, so we'll be going through. And there's a little river. A nice sitting area. And the rain has stopped, as you can notice. At least for the time being. Okay, and let me show you the gate from here as well. It's too tall, it doesn't fit into the frame, but there it is. Oh, the light. Okay, on the other side, the river, and there's beautiful gardens. Let's go and see. And people going on boats. Okay. Okay, look at that site. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, it's called Westgate Gardens. Wow. Just beautiful. Look at that. Just walking down this alley and we can't get enough of it. So much beauty. More of the old walls. Let's see it. There we go. And let's see the view from there. Okay, I can see quite a few seagulls. What you guys doing? Looking for a meal? So overcast. Okay, I can show you the tower gate again. Pretty. I don't know what that is. Oh, let me go read that blue label. Okay, it says who donated this, the Tower House and the Westgate Gardens, to the people of Canterbury. Nice. Very kind of them. I must include some furs. And there's some ducks. And this looks like a lovely place to live. Okay, we can't get in there because this part is closed. But I think the green area is open. It's starting to drizzle again. Ah! Hi guys! Hi, something. There is food for you to eat. The natural way. Okay. I can hear a sort of desperate cry of a creature. And I'm not quite sure what that is. This is so pretty. This is pretty as well. And you can see the rain. And I found a beautiful tree. I'm not quite sure, but it looks like a type of cedar, right? You are beautiful. And a really beautiful ancient oak. Oh dear. You have been chased away, girls. Back to the tree. Okay. How many people do you need to hug it around? They were letting themselves float. Oh, you can see the ducking because the water is completely clear. Do it again. There we go. Completely submerged. Can you see? Can you see? That was really cool. Thank you. You've been a good ducky listening to me. Yay! Look at those feet. And you're out. Well done. Okay, there's a green area. And we'll continue on the path. I need to put my umbrella back up because it's properly raining. I think you can see it on the water. Ugh. And from the ducks back to an activity you can do here, even if it's raining. Go on a ride with umbrellas. Only in England. Okay, sheltering from the rain, you must have tea and cake. The tea is coming. Yeah, let's try the sangria tea. Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh, are you pulling a Moroccan pour? Wow, look at that color. Okay, here's another one of the very old. You can see the year it was built in, 1573. Now there's a coffin there, and I'm not sure if there's a guest house on the top. And it's raining again. Not so old, but still old. It's a bank. And then an older one with Hotel Chocolat. Look at that. All the old, beautiful old buildings taken over by businesses. And more, I'm not sure if I've already showed this to you, because that's the gate towards the cathedral. I'm back here. Okay, I don't think we had this view before, so let's include it. Oopsie. Oh, goodness. And I like these ones, the little protruding windows that are completely encased. Oh, lovely English weather. Why did you have to happen today? Some of the kitsch stores for tourists with one of the king's gods, I think. And though there is noise, I'm gonna shut up because maybe you can hear the bells from the cathedral. I'm back. Okay. Maybe the bell sounds are better from here. Just want to show you some more of the English pub looks. Their advertising boards and signage. The old butter market. They're just so pretty. It's a shame that, look, we can't sit in this nice little square because it's raining. And raining some more. Okay, I'm back in here because I wanted to have a look at the cathedral now that there's less people around. From the outside, of course, because I have told you my moan earlier. But let's go and have a look at some of those carving and statues, because they're absolutely beautiful. I assume that these buildings around it, it's where the cloisters and other things are. Quite nice. And that's King Ethelbert. And some others up there. There's some amazing details. It's just very hard for me to film with holding the umbrella. Plus the scaffolding is blocking some of the bits. Look at that. Oh, the light is so bad. There's a screaming young girl. Have you lost your pet? That's our little screamer. You can see he's a youngling. He still has speckled feathers. And further up there is an adult. Highly likely related to this screaming little one. Wow, that's another cool building. Look at that. Let's include you completely. Oh, sorry. Some crazy zooming because, as I said, it's very, very hard to film. Okay, this is the place to crown kings. A long time ago. I'm not sure, but if I remember correctly, William the Conqueror was crowned here in the 11th century. And if I'm wrong, I apologize, but I'll look it up. Okay. It's very large. You can't really include it all. There we go. We have sneaked in for evensong. Let's see. Okay, it was pretty cool. The choir sounded amazing. Just some quick sneak peeks. I'm loving the windows and the columns. It's a massive, massive cathedral. And that was it. The organ has finished. And guess what I found? A boat. Canterbury. No, that's not something I expected to find inside the cathedral. But I'm glad I have. Alerts displayed. Look at that window. Wow. Okay. That's where we were inside, where we were not allowed to film or take photos. And now we have to exit. And guess what? The evening sun is coming out. How crazy is this? The evening sun has come out. It's still drizzling, but yeah. Well, this was an unexpected, lovely surprise for us to be able to get in and listen to the evensong. Seeing some new choristers admitted. Okay, and I think I'm gonna end it here. There's gonna be further wanderings, but if I find something very, very interesting, then I shall add it in. Otherwise, have a lovely evening, everyone. Okay, the rain has begun again, but as we are walking around, I realized that I have not shown you this sign. So I am including it quickly. I'm gonna have a quick run around. You can hear the rain on my umbrella, I'm pretty sure. Okay, well, I am very pleased that it's in a different, unplanned way, but a good way. Okay, I can see some ruins and the buses. Oopsie. Choristers. That must have been a side chapel here. Just going around. Oh, rain, honestly. You can't plan a day, because this is what happens. But it's been a beautiful day nonetheless, even though I probably grumbled a bit too much. I am used to this weather, yet I'm still always surprised when things don't go according to plan. Anyway, now I showed you most of the cathedral. Let's go find my friend. I have just spotted this as I passed by it. It is called the Canterbury War Horse, and it's in memory of 8 million horses that died in the First World War. And as Kent and Dover and all the other ports were the gateway to Europe. This is where they transited through. Wooden sculpture. It's still raining, but the sun is coming up on the other end, which is hilarious. Okay, bye for now for good, I think. Bye. Well, I'm adding more to the video because look, as the sun was coming out, look at the beauty that has shone upon the sky. A beautiful rainbow. Wow, it's been maybe even a year I've seen one. So I'm well chuffed to see you here. Oh, what a lovely sight. Oh, and it's still raining. Okay, let's zoom on to the... Can we see you, beautiful one? Oh, I take this as a promise. Okay.